Hi, in this video we are going to see how to add a graph view title for the profile view in Civil 3D. On my screen you can see I have a graph, profile view graph. So I'm going to add a title for this uh, profile view. So I select the profile view, go to profile view properties, edit profile view style, then on the title annotation tab you can go to title content and click here, and we will say our graph view title will be alignment name followed by profile view. So I'll use this parent alignment and add to this side. So if you want to have uppercase letters, you can use these options, lowercase letters or title caps. So I'm not going to change anything. Then space profile view, then click OK. So it will give you the alignment name and profile view as my graph view title. So if you want to change the location of that, you can use this using this option. So if I apply here, you can see alignment SE profile view. So that is alignment SE is the alignment name and profile view. So if you want to change it to 25, you can click here and apply. It will move up, and you can set the location, justification, all that using these options. If you want to change the text height, you can do it from here. So if you want to make it 10, this will become smaller, so like that. And you can set the standard or whatever the text style you like. So that is how to set a profile view graph title or a profile view name for a profile view in Civil 3D.